Hi everyone, let's learn how to make handmade labels at home. These are my few labels which I have made myself and I'm going to teach you how to make it at home. All these colors and all I've done it myself and it looks very beautiful and I'm satisfied with my work. So let's begin. I have variety of rubber stamps which I have used for making my labels. So the main item you need is a rubber stamp, which you can get it from a craft store. It is removable, so you can use it as many times. Other material you need is pigment ink, color pencils. This is the stamp pad. This is color pencil, and of course my rubber stamps. After making the labels, you can stick it on your products, handmade products, or you can stick it in your kitchen or anywhere wherever you want to write down about the product. These are all colorful labels. After stamping, I colored it. This was a colored sheet only, so I have just done the stamping on it. I forgot to mention that you also need a sticker paper, a sticker sheet, which you can get it from a wholesale market in bulk. This is very inexpensive, very economic. Now this is the rubber stamp. I'm going to put it on a stamp pad. The moment you keep it there, it gets stuck as it is made of rubber. Just press it a little bit and now take the stamp and take some pigment ink and I have to spread on it, so it has a foam kind of a thing on it. So just dab it on the stamp pad and spread the color all over the stamp. Now you just take it in a firm hand and carefully just keep the stamp in a straight position on the sticker paper like this and press. Don't shake your hand, just press it lightly as the ink will automatically get transferred to the sticker paper. See, now it is done. As simple as that. You can see the stamp. Yes, now it is done. And the pigment ink is non-bleeding. Now you can color it with color pencils or markers or whichever color, because color pencil I use because it seals, actually doesn't bleed. See, this is how I have done. I've taken one color, I have taken two colors, variety of colors. See, three colors: yellow, pink, orange, like this. You can fill up as per your details, and then you can write down on the labels with your permanent marker, thin permanent marker. This is a sticker paper. See, you can remove it from the back side and put it on your products. Just stick it on the product. It won't bleed as the pigment ink is permanent, and the color pencil is also it doesn't bleed at all. See, this is another label I have made, and I've written with this is a stamp pad. This handmade for you, it is a stamp. So I have used this stamp, this one. I've used it for, there's one more with love, and a few write up stamps are also there. This is also there, you are loved, like this. You can do it the way you want. So I have stamped on one already. I already made this bottle kind of a stamp, and on that I made another stamp. So you can always do that. See, these are the labels I have made, and I have colored it with the color pencil. So this is the one which I made, and different varieties you can make. So try, and bye bye. Thanks for watching Handicrafts. Subscribe and like my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.